Hello, my fellow adventurers, and today we are going on another adventure, and that is Kaldurga Fort. We are going to Kaldurga Fort, and before going to this trek, let me introduce you to my partners. That is, today I am going with Aniket and our cameraman, that is Deepak. So before going, let me show you my backpack. So in my backpack, I have taken water for energy, snacks, and the other preferences, that is for shooting, camera, and all that. So let's go start our trek today.
All right, everyone. This is a big moment because I've been learning to ride properly, and honestly, it's been a mix of nerve wracking and super exciting. So, today I am taking the bike out on this awesome ride to Kaladurga Fort. It's still a work in progress, but hey, progress is progress, right? So, buckle up and I guess helmet on, and let's hit the road together.
So as you can see, we are ready to start our journey, and currently it is 6:30 a.m. So let's start.
Not going to lie, the first few days were full of wobbles, but look at the smooth sailing now. I'm still getting used to the bike, but every ride feels like leveling up. If you are learning something new too, let me know in the comments. Maybe we can share tips or just laugh at each other's beginner struggles. Welcome to Kaladurga Fort vlog. This hidden gem is a hill fort located in Palghar district, not too far from Mumbai. It's believed to be from the time of the Maratha Empire and it served as a watchtower due to its strategic location. The name Kaladurga comes from the blackish rocks, that is, Kal means black in Marathi, and that form the fort structure. The fort is divided into two levels, giving trekkers some cool views as they climb. Now let's talk about how to get here. From Mumbai, Kaladurga Fort is about 90 kilometers away and it's super convenient if you are in Vasai like me. So we are doing this trip on a bike which makes it even more fun. From Vasai, we are heading towards Palghar via the Western Express Highway, and once we get to Palghar, it's just a short ride to Waghoba Khinder, and that's where the trek to Kaladurga Fort starts. And if you are coming by train, you can get down at Palghar station and take a rickshaw or bus to Waghoba Khinder.
So we have reached at Palghar, and we are at our friend's house, that is Vivek. Vivek, say hi.
Hi.
So he made us breakfast, and we have done breakfast over here, and we have kept our helmets over here and other stuff. And now from here the distance is about 5 minutes, so we will go on bike because we have to take shoot. And now let's go. He will lead the way because he is local, and he's going to show us the way. So let's go.
So here we are parking the bike, gearing up the trek. It's about an hour climb to the fort, and the trail is beginner friendly and with some steep sections, perfect for anyone who is looking to kickstart their trekking journey.
So, welcome back, guys. We have reached at our destination, and this is the place where you have to stop, where there is the Waghoba Mandir, as you can see. And from the Waghoba Mandir on the right side, this is the path where the trek is going to start. Now, let me show you the Mandir. We will first look at the Mandir, and then we will start our trek. Let's go. First we will take darshan and then we will start our trek. So as you can see, there is sitting place and we can rest over here, do our breakfast and go. So we have started finally. Let's go.
So, all right, the trek finally begins, and wow, they weren't kidding. They said that this trail gets real right from the start. It's full of rocky patches and steep inclines. So, your legs are definitely in for a workout. And honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be this challenging right away. But hey, that's part of the adventure, right? And I'll be honest, the first stretch had me questioning all my life choices for a second. But the key is to take it slow and steady, and don't forget to carry plenty of water because, trust me, you will need it. And look at this section, super rocky and uneven. It's like nature's obstacle, of course. But you know what? Once you find your rhythm, it's actually kind of fun. Just make sure to watch your step and keep
We
moving.
have done about 10 minutes walk and you can see sweat. We are already sweating because we have started our trek late. We reached late over here, and as you can see there is a bird's nest, and this is locally made. From here the locally people put it on this tree so the little birds can stay in it. I will just show you it video. Let me. We are around halfway through and the path is a little bit of challenging. As you can see, we have taken a break to drink some water to put on the energy again, and we will rest over here for 5 minutes and start again. As you can see, we all are very sweaty because the walk or the climb here is very steep. Let me show you. Now here let me show you one plant. So as you can see, this one, make sure you don't touch it even by mistake, because if you touch this plant you will get very itchy. Your skin will get red and it will feel very itching, and just don't touch it because it's very dangerous. Okay, so just look very carefully. This is the plant. We can see the road from here. We are so high up. Just how tiny the vehicles are looking from here. Just look at it. Oh my. I think we are almost halfway through. Let's go.
इझी वरती ना एकदम ते तर तिथपर्यंतच फक्त आहे ते डिफिकल्ट मग परत थोडंसं तिकडे आहे बस इतकं काही issue नाही.
Okay. We have to go 40%.
So, as our friend Vivek is saying that we are almost 60% done through our walk, and we can see our summit point from here. But so let's go. We'll see. I think we will be able to complete our trek in half an hour. Let's go.
आज हे पण
विवेक तू नाही बनवत गाणी वगैरे? अरे
मिलियनवर गेलं अजून कोणता तरी मिलियन ऑफ आत्ताच न्यू लेटेस्ट सांग दाखव मला. माझी पण ई भाई तू घाबरला. पांचुरा.
So now here is a spot where you can rest and do lunch or breakfast. if you came early, and we are very much late. That is, right now it is 10 a.m. and the sun is on the head, so we cannot just sit over here. Let me show you the place. See, and that is our summit point. We are very much close. Right, so let's go. दीपकच्या झावामध्ये. ओ माय गॉड, नक्की थंडाच आहे ना?
मिक्स केले त्याचे.
मिक्स
ठिकाणी आम्ही दारू नाही पित.
गुड.
अशा ठिकाणी नाही, कधीच नाही पित. मार्च मध्ये लग्न
मार्च मध्ये म्हणून तयारी जोरदार झाली. मन फिक्स केलंय, ब्राईड फिक्स नाही केलं. हो भाई, काय फिलिंग.
Looks like a dragon fruit plant. Dragon fruit महाग असतो. बाहेर होतात याला बस ते कसे असतात थोडे लवचिक असतात. लांबी अशी ताण्यासारखी झाली.
10 ते 20 मिनिट लागतील आपल्याला जायला तिकडे.
ओके बॉस, 10 ते 20 मिनिटं लागणार.
भाई इधर तक नहीं लेना था.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, my gang, my homies.
काय
खर्च येतोय काय? हा
सांग ना काय आहे.
काय मला पण माहिती काय ते, मी तुमचं असं बोलला नॉर्मली.
पाहू शकते. अरे गाईड काय आहे? वेर इज अवर गाईड? लीड द वे.
अरे काय असं तिथला
रस्त्याला माहिती गाईड कसं आहे.
फॉलो मी.
Oh my god, as you can clearly see the summit point, the flag. So finally we can see the summit point clear, as you can see, and we are a little bit late because we were shooting and therefore we got late, and now it is about 11 a.m. We took about 1.5 hours, and yes, in around 2 hours we will complete our trek.
मजा आ गया.
मजा आ गया.
इकडून पण एक
सफर का ही था मैं सफर कर रहा.
हा द व्यू.
गाइड कुठला सांगायचं.
बघायला गेलो गुगलला बघायला गेलो.
ये सस्ता गाइड हमारा कुछ काम का नहीं है. कुछ पैसा खाली खाया इसने.
त्याची पण आहे ना.
ए, सरकारची मिलावट आहे.
ये सारे मिलकर हमें पागल बना रहे हैं.
Oh my god. Now the summit is just over there.
आणि कुणाला काही तेल वगैरे मिठाची पुडी लागली तर आपण पाहू शकतो.
जेवणाची सोय.
खेतो मी तुला.
सुंदर का माझ्या खांद्यावरून ये नाही तर.
अरे दे ना हाथ दे. हाथ एक तो हाथ दे बस.
अरे जल्दी चलो कल सुबह पनवेल भी जाना है.
आई शपथ एवढंसं चढ एवढं स्ट्रगल.
आमचा लेड क्लाइंबर
मी लीड क्लाइंबर नाही आहे तू.
मेन लीडर आमची तू आहे. तू आपण तू कशी करायचं कसं आहे.
So after a lot of struggle, I have reached this rock, and we will take lots of selfies and photos and shots from here, and that is our summit point. We will go there sometime. Till then, we will enjoy the view. Woo! Can say that is the summit point, and we are right down on the rock bottom, and this is the rocky patch, which is the last patch, and we are going to climb it, but it is very steeper as you can see, so we have to be very careful during climbing it. So be very careful. Let's go. After climbing that rocky patch, we have encountered our first water tank over here. If you don't have water, you can just get it from here. It is now it is very dirty, but I think we can just use it for drinking if we have no further option. Right? Let's go. Woo! Yeah, and we are here. Woohoo! Oh my god, the view! Just look at that view. We can clearly see the lake. Oh my god! And this is the view which is worth it for every trek, right? So yeah, we will just enjoy the view. And we will also show you the drone shots. Now let's go and get a closer look from that point. Now I will show you the second water tank. We have to go from this you can see I love Vagoba Dongar. There is written over there, and just beside it, there is a little path, and we will just go. Let's go. As you can see, yes, it's like this. Yeah, my partners are already here, and there we go. We have encountered the second water tank. This water is clean. We can use it to drink if there is no further options. Now the incredible view. Oh my god. Woo! We can see the sea also, but it's a little bit foggy. I don't know whether you guys can see it from the camera angle. Okay. Now we'll just rest over here and eat our tiffin and continue our trek to go down. Just look at Aniket enjoying. Okay, so till then, bye. तुला द्यायला लागलं. हा
तिकडे टाक खाली.
पटकन पटकन जादा वेळ नका घेऊन चालायचं. टाक बस
खाली टाक तिकडे.
कुठे टाकू?
तिकडे खाली.
तिकडे दाखवतो इकडे. नाही इकडे
रस्त्यात काय टाकले आपल्याला जायचं तिकडे.
राहू दे राहू दे राहू दे.
तर आपल्याला रस्ता नाही ना.
बॅग सांभाळा. हा
तर टाकीवरती ना एक काढूनच ठेवू का मग?
हा ते देऊन टाक त्याला.
नाही, त्याला इथं देऊन टाक ना.
हे ना तिकडे.
सगळ्या देऊ आपल्याला इकडे.
हा.
ए, पटकन रे.
तुझ्या तू ना एवढं काही खबर तुझं ते काय नाही फक्त तुझं.
गाय माकड भाई लगेच अग्रेसिव्ह होत्या.
अग्रेसिव्ह होतात ते, त्यांना जास्त हे पण फायदा नाही. तो दिला ना नॉर्मल त्याला शांत राहील तो.
तो बघ तो बघ तो बघ.
गाव हा बाई
जा घेऊन ना भाई.
जा.
तुझ्या आईला अडके.
पण ना ते केवढा असा हे वाटतं ना, असा काय बालिश बारका पोरधा काय घेऊन चाललाय असं वाटतं ते.
भाई कोणतरी आला असेल ना तर उसको एहसास हुआ होगा.
म्हणून
और मेरा पार्टनर आ रहा है.
3 चपात्या एक खायला घेतली, 3 वेगळीच घेतल्यात. म्हणजे परत आम्ही का परत उचलून घेणार होते तुला.
So we have encountered the monkeys. There is whole family, as you can see. We have given some food and he is eating very peacefully, and I think that is his wife and kid. So now we will let them eat. We will go our way because it's better not to disturb them. Sometimes they get a little bit aggressive. So let's go. Bye. So we have finally reached on the top. This is the summit point, and beside it there is the last third water tank. You can clearly see it, but it is not in good condition. So we will now explore this place. There is good space over here. We can just sit over here, camp over here if anyone wants to camp for the night. And that's it. We will enjoy the views and take some beautiful sceneries, captured it in our cameras, and just we will also take drone shots, and we will also show you the beauty from here around. We are literally now seeing it. So let's stay tuned for further videos and do watch the whole video. Take care. Bye. successfully got down from our trek. Now it's time to go home. So we will wrap up things very fastly and wash it up ourselves and then go home. Now I want to show you something. Look at, there is a monkey. It just crossed the road and come over here. Just look at him. Oh my god, he's so good looking. Let's go. He's eating the coconut and watching Vivek. So we have trekked down in a good manner. There was no casualty during trek, and we have successfully got down. And after that, as you can see, Vivek, he made us lunch. Actually, his father made us lunch, and we are so satisfied right now after the lunch because we are so full, and we are now all set to go home. And all thanks to Vivek today for guiding us through the trek and for the lunch and breakfast. So stay tuned for further videos, and that's it. Bye.